What just happened? It keeps fucking doing that. Why do we keep having spikes like that?
I have no idea.
It's super fucking obnoxious. Can you try to put it on the PlayStation instead of the TV? It has huge problems with that.
Do what?
Can you put it on the PlayStation instead of the TV? The TV seems to really fuck up my stream.
Shit.
Random room. AI move to actor location. Oh, okay, yeah, because if they touch them, it also hurt them before, but I don't want that to happen with him. Okay, oh yeah. And then I need to do something when it gets to him, right? So then it needs to do the Boolean. Okay, so if it's true, then conv start conversation. I don't know what that one is. I need you to look up the actual blueprints. To do to make it stop once it reaches the character and then the actual conv AI, or if this is the right one, I can't tell because I right clicked and start conversation is not a node I can pick. Okay. On Cpon, Castier, there we go. Has spotted player equals false. Okay, does nothing. Right, it is true. AI move to stop movement. Start talking. Emotion. Conv speech to text. Ooh. What is the button that I press? Just look at the button. I'll find that in a minute then. Okay, what is just the stop? Engine character stop moving from a patrol. This one. Stop character movement. What? Oh, that's a different thing. Set ignore move? Stop character. Stop. Target is so. I don't know if it really understands that though. Oh no. Stop. Let's look up a patrol on YouTube. So I'm just forgetting the name of the stupid button, the node. Yeah.
Bring in the savings with Hot Buys, starting at just $2.99 during Ashley's New Year's sale.
Mine as 1. The reason why it needs to be 0.6 or higher, and the reason why this will actually work, is because if we select the pawn sensing, you'll notice our sensing interval is 0.5. So this event here will fire off every 0.5 seconds that the AI is seeing the player. So it will fire off, come through this. If 1 second has passed and this hasn't fired off yet, 10 seconds, just so there's no communication. So for our sight radius and peripheral vision and all that, and we've also set up this code here to chase us until it no longer sees us for longer than 1 second.
Or retriggerable delay. What was that? On CPON sequence. Okay. Sequence. All right. Retriggerable delay, random room. Retriggerable delay of 1 second uncompleted. Go back to random room. Huh. That's a cool one. Okay. AI move to pawn. AI move to. Oh, here we go. What is this again? Pawn itself. Right. Reference yourself. All right. What is it?
So we're going to close this, And there is now one final thing left to do.
Hmm.
And that is just to make sure that AI can actually move in our level.
I
So
already
we're
have the
going to go
nav
up to the
mesh.
active project up in the top left up here.
Did I miss
So
something?
the first thing you want to do is you want to create your AI. Now, if you haven't already got that, don't worry. What I've then done is I've created this random run code.
I've already got that too.
Screen here, and I also have a video which I'll leave a link to in the description down below, in which I go over setting up and creating this code here. So once you've got everything else in your AI set up, it's time to start adding in the site detection. So we can go to the viewport, add a component, and we want to add pawn sensing, as you can see here. We'll compile and save that. Okay. And then in here, we can just change all the different values. So obviously we have hearing as well. We're not going to go over that today. So the sight radius, you can increase how far they're going to be able to see. So like this, I think the default of 5,000 is good. And you can also change the angle at which they see, so their peripheral vision. So something like this, you can really just customize this to get it perfect for you. And what I like to do...
Yeah, I'm going to do that also. So you see this right here? Got a pawn sensing and then peripheral vision.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to do this right here. So he kind of sees, he has like a little bit of a concave sight instead. But that way he'll like see the player more, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Make him a little bit more slightly oblivious, but it's a little bit more realistic feeling too. Sometimes you want to just like sneak up on him, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Compile. Come on. There you go. Event graph. Okay. So let's keep going. Make sure we got everything.
The AI in the level, have selected, so you can see this in the actual world. So getting good what's going to be set up that angle and that part, which I think is good for me. That would work. And so with this, it already had built in for objects, so it does have object purpose as well. So we're going to just see through a wall. If that wall's there, that's probably because of that. The AI will not be able to see you, and that's all we're going to change. Obviously, make sure C pawns is ticked, but it should be ticked on.
Oh, C's pawns. Let's make sure that that's ticked. Yeah, C's pawns. Here's noises. Okay. That'd be stupid.
By default. Then we're going to scroll down until we get the events, and we're going to get the on-C pawn event here. What we're going to do is, out of this, we're going to get a sequence node. So you can hold down S left click to get that. Then 0 is going to go into an AI move to node, with the pawn obviously being get a reference to self, so it's moving this AI. And the destination we're going to leave as 000, as we're going to use the target actor instead. So the target actor can just go into pawn of the on-C pawn. So whatever
target actor. Okay, wait. AI move to, and then we're gonna get rid of this one instead, I guess. Because, oh, it says the target actor is the pawn that it sees. Okay, I think that might have been what messed it up. Okay.
The pawn that the AI has seen, that is now going to be the target that the AI is just going to go towards. Okay. So wherever the AI moves to, this will constantly be chasing that location and just be following the player. So this is nice and efficient and a really good way of doing it. However, this is going to constantly follow the player even when the AI can no longer see us. So how do we set it up to stop them doing that? Well, out of then 1, we're going to get a re-triggerable delay, as you can see here. And the duration of this wants to be 0.6 or higher. So again, I'm going to put mine as 1. The reason why it needs to be 0.6 or higher, and the reason why this will actually work, is because if we select the pawn sensing, you'll notice our sensing interval is 0.5. So this event here will fire off every 0.5 seconds that the AI is seeing the player. So it will fire off, come through this. If 1 second has passed and this hasn't fired off again, it will fire off the code out of this, because a re-triggerable delay will restart from the beginning.
Do we want him following you the whole time, basically? Like he sees the player and then he'll follow you wherever you go? You could still tell him to go places, but then if he sees you, then he'll come back to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if the AI sees us, it will go to 1, and if they're still seeing us, it will restart again continually until the AI has no longer seen us. So again, this value here, you will change depending on how long you want the AI to be able to continue chasing the player for after they've seen us. So again, you might want a nice 5 or 10 seconds, just so to make sure that when the player walks around a corner, that the AI doesn't suddenly lose sight of them. Anything along those lines really, you just put this in here, and you probably want to do some testing just to see what works perfectly for you. But to actually stop the AI from chasing us, what you can do is either stop movement immediately, or you can do an AI move to and just have the destination as get actor location, so it just stops them where they are. But what I'm going to do is just call my random roam code. So it's just going to go straight back into my random roaming. Now, if you have patrol code, you could put the patrol there. But essentially, whatever you want the AI to start doing when they stop chasing, you put that there. And that is pretty much it. It's very, very simple code to do. So we can compile.
Okay, so let's try that first, and then I might just want them to stop, though. Because if he just stays there until we tell him to do something, might be the best. Because he already has the follow, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well. Yeah, so we don't want him to do the move, too. Okay, look at that! He just walked right up to me, right? Oh, shit! I think he's pushing me around. Oh, my God!
So pushy.
That was funny. Oh. Okay, yeah. So he saw me, and then, that worked, right? It looked like it worked right away. But he didn't stop is the only thing. Okay, so let's put a delay on that one, maybe? Okay. So AI move 2. Is that was it? Pawn, sell.
File and save, and again, that's all we need to do. So we change the settings for our site radius and
I think I'd rather him just stop. Would be really, really cool.
for you. But to actually stop the AI from chasing us, what you can do is either stop movement immediately.
Stop movement immediately. So let's try uncompleted. We're gonna break this. And is it off the retriggerable delay? Yes. Okay, so stop movement immediately. The target floating pawn movement. Okay, compile. Alright, let's see what it does. Alright, so he comes up to us, and then see if he stops. He is still pushing us, I think. Oh my god, what happened?
He's so strong.
He is so strong. Where the fuck am I going? He just kicked my ass, dude. Where are we flying right now?
He's just.
He is so excited. Holy crap. Okay. Son, put me down. Put me down, son.
Your son taking you.
Oh my god, where are we going? I don't think this is stopping character movement very much. This is very funny, though. What are you doing? Stop pushing me around. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. And then if he can't see you, then he just like wanders off. Okay, and then look. Oh, did he see me? I think he's avoiding me now.
No, he's coming at you.
Hi. What was that? He is not stopping his movement, right?
He's just a going.
What in the world? Okay, okay. On success. Okay, okay. Let's do the roam. I think it's up here because it's on success, right? AI move to random roam. It's really confusing. Like, I don't know what he was doing. It seemed like he did stop, right? But then it auto triggers back to the roam. Okay, so this is very confusing. It's if I got rid of the on success one or on the fail one. On fail, let's delay like by 5 minutes, by like a little bit.
Okay.
How about like 3 seconds? And also, see if we can up the time here of this to be like 10 seconds. Okay. See if that, what that does. Normally you only change one thing at a time. Okay, he ran right up to me. Hey! Okay, but then he just goes again. Okay, okay. Because it's supposed to be on C-Pawn, you're supposed to stop. I don't know what this is. Floating pawn movement. Sounds dumb. What? C, Control V. Does that compile even? No. Stop movement.
Or you can do an AI move to and just have the destination as get actor location, so just stops it.
Okay, how about we do that one instead? Because it seems to be doing the random roam regardless, so we don't really need to tell it to do that.
No.
He's got that down. Okay, so uncompleted, then AI move to. And then he said, get actor location. Is the goal or what?
Where they are.
Destination. What?
Well, what I'm going to do is actor location, so just stops them.
Oh my god, I cannot see where it is. It's in destination. Get actor location. What? AI. What is happening? Oh, what? Oh, that's what I did. ACTOR location. No, oh my gosh. Come on. Oof. My computer doesn't like this right now. Okay. Destination. Get. Oh my god. Get actor location. Or turn value. Being a douchebag. Okay.
Them where they are. But what I'm going to do is just call my random roam code. So it's just going to go straight back into my random roaming. Now, if you have patrol code, you could put the patrol there.
Alright. So let's see. Then it'll chase the character forever, is what he said. So let's see here. Okay, look. Oh. Yeah, as soon as he didn't see me, though, he, like, stopped. Oh, okay. Oh, no, I think he didn't see me again and ran away, probably. Oh, my God, he is gone. Jesus. Oh, he saw me again. Hey, how's it going? Damn it. Oh, no, wait. Is he staying here? Oh, my God. Can you not just run the fuck away? Jesus. Okay. His patrol speed is a little bit too fast. Just in general. Okay, let's save all this because it's like having problems right now. Save all. Save. We're gonna restart it. Ugh. Oh. What's happened there? It should be going up. Yeah, okay. That's so dumb. It like spikes the wrong way. Oh, there's the storm finally. I think that's the right one finally. Yep, it is.